Hello students, today we will see the substitution method. In last lecture we have already seen the uh, introduction to linear equation as well as direct methods and indirect methods. So today we will begin with substitution method. So there are two types of substitution method, backward substitution and forward substitution. These particular methods are used in direct methods. Uh, as already we have seen in direct methods that we are going to reduce the given set of equations to triangular form. So what we have to do after converting it into the triangular form, that is upper triangular form or lower triangular form. So first that will be discussed in the substitution method, backward or forward substitution method. With the help of this backward or forward substitution method, it will be helpful for us to reduce the calculations. So let us begin with backward substitution method first. So see here, consider the following system of equation involving 4 unknowns. Here we have considered a set of equations in which it has 4 unknowns. So see here, first equation, that is a11x1 plus a12x2 plus a13x3 plus a14x4 is equal to b1. See here, in the second equation, the variable x1 is 0, means we can say that it is eliminated, and the remaining terms are a22x2 plus a23x3 plus a24x4 is equal to b2. Similarly, the rest of the equations are mentioned here. As you can see here, these values are 0 in each and every equations. The number of variables eliminated are increasing, and only in the last equation you can see there is only one variable. Here there are 2 variables, here there are 3 variables, and in this particular equation there are 4 variables. So what we have to do in order to understand this backward substitution method, we have to write this set of equations in matrix form, that is Ax is equal to b. So see here, Ax is equal to b. So matrix A is nothing but coefficients of this particular equation. So we have written here a11, a12, a13, a14. Similarly, x1 coefficient is 0 here, so I have written here 0. After that, a22, a22, a23, a23, a24, a24, and similarly the rest of the terms are written. See here, this is matrix X. So matrix X, for matrix X we are going to use the column matrix, that is x1, x2, x3, x4. These are the unknowns. Whereas the matrix B are the terms on the right hand side, that is b1, b2, b3, b4. So see here, in matrix A, all the elements below this diagonal element are 0. All the elements below this diagonal element are 0, therefore it is called as an upper triangular matrix. So see here, which are the diagonal elements here? a11, a22, a33, a44 are the diagonal elements, and below which all the elements are 0. So this is called as an upper triangular matrix. So now what we have to do? Now we have to find the value of these unknowns. So we will apply here backward substitution. First of all, what do you mean by backward substitution? Backward substitution means we have to start from the last equation, that is from the last equation. Here you can see there is only one equation, that is a44x4 is equal to b4. See here on the next page it has written. Yes, here we have taken the last equation, that is a44x4 is equal to b4. By simplifying this, we have found out the value of x4. x4 is equal to b4 upon a44. So we have easily found out the value of x4. Now what we have to do? We have to find the another values, that is we have to find the value of x3. So we will consider the second last equation of equation number 1. See, I can see here. See here, now we have to consider this second last equation. See here, we have to consider this second last equation. So we will write here. See here on the next page. See here, a33x3 plus a34x4 is equal to b3. Now what we have to do? We know the value of x4, so we have to put the value of x4, this x4 value, in this equation. So it will become a33x3, a34, x4 will be replaced by b4 upon a44 is equal to b3. So by simplifying, the final answers will become x3 is equal to 1 upon a33 b3 minus a34 into b4 upon a44. So what we have done, we have applied here backward substitution. We have started from the last term, and by using that we have first found out x4. After that we have found out x3. Similarly, we can find out the value of x2. With the help of this x4 and x3, we can find out the value of x2, and with the help of x4, x3, x2, we can easily find out the value of x1. So here, since we started from last equation of equation number 1 of the given equation, then this method is called as backward substitution method. Now let us see another method, that is forward substitution method. So see here, this is forward substitution method. So consider following system of equation at this is given. I have separately considered this equation as a, b, c, d. You can consider this whole equation as 1, and you can call it as first equation of equation 1, and second equation of equation 1, third equation of equation 1, fourth equation of equation 1. Here I have considered them as separately. So see here, first equation a11 x1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to b1. So in this forward substitution, the given equations are in the lower triangular form. So what we have to do, we have to write this equation in the matrix form, that is ax is equal to b form. So we have written it in the matrix form, that is this is matrix A, coefficient matrix, this is unknown matrix, variable matrix, that is x1 x2 x3 x4, and this is the right hand side matrix, B matrix. So see here, these are the diagonal elements a11 a22 a33 a44, and above these diagonal elements all the elements are 0, therefore it is called as lower triangular matrix. So what we have to do here in a forward substitution method, we have to start from the first equation. So now start from equation A. Our equation A is a11 x1 is equal to b1. See here, a11 x1 is equal to b1. So by simplifying this, x1 is equal to b1 upon a11. x1 is equal to b1 upon a11. So now we have to consider second equation, that is equation B. So a21 plus a22 x2 is equal to b2. So see here, a21 x1 plus a22 x2 is equal to b2. Now we have got the value of x1, put that value in this equation. So we have substituted the value of x1 in this equation. So a21 into b1 upon a11 plus a22 x2 is equal to b2. So a22 x2 this side, b2 has written this side, and this particular term will go to right hand side. So this has been plus previously, it has become negative now. So by simplifying, x2 is equal to 1 upon a22 in bracket b2 minus a21 into b1 upon a11. So this is forward substitution method. Now in forward substitution method, we have started from the first equation only, and here we have found out only the x1 and x2, but with the help of x1 and x2, now you can consider equation number 3, this equation, and you can put the value of x1 and x2 in this equation, and you will get the value of x3. Similarly, now we have got three values, that is x1, x2, x3. That particular values will be substituted in the last equation, so you will get the value of x4. So this is nothing but the forward substitution method. So always remember, in forward substitution method, the given matrix A should be in the lower triangular form, and then you can only use the forward substitution method. So in forward substitution method, we have started from the first equation, and the main condition is that the matrix A should be in the lower triangular matrix form. So today we will conclude. In next lecture we are going to see Gauss elimination method. Till then, thank you.